In this video, I will show you how to make a group in Telegram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Telegram. Now, what you're going to want to do, you can do this on iPhone or Android. The first thing you're going to want to do is press onto the pencil icon. So for Android, that's down in the bottom right hand corner. If you're on an iPhone, that's going to be in the top left hand corner. So you want to press onto that first of all. Then you're going to be taken to this screen. And from here, you want to come up to the top and press onto new group. Then what you can do is choose who you want to add to this group. So you can select your people from here. Once you've done that, come down and press the arrow in the bottom right hand corner. Then what you can do is go ahead and name your group just like so. So I'm going to call this one test group. And if you want, you can add a picture for the group by pressing this icon here. Once that's done, come down and press the tick in the bottom right hand corner to confirm. As you can see, we've now gone ahead and created our group just like so. From here, if you want to add members to the group, you want to come into the group and at the top, you're going to see add members. So what you can do is press onto this and add further members to the group. And you can customize this further by pressing onto the group itself at the top of the page. What you can do is press onto the pencil icon just here, and we can do different things like set a photo and change the permissions and different things for the group itself. So that is how to make a group in Telegram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.